61. Drop in or by or over. Meaning, come without an appointment.
Example, I might drop in for tea sometime this week.
62. Drop someone or something off. Meaning, take someone or something somewhere and leave them or it there.
Example, I have to drop my sister off at work before I come over.
63. Drop out. Meaning, quit a class, school.
Example, I dropped out of science because it was too difficult.
64. Eat out. Meaning, eat at a restaurant.
Example, I don't feel like cooking tonight. Let's eat out.
65. End up. Meaning, eventually reach or do or decide.
Example, we ended up renting a movie instead of going to the theater.
66. Fall apart. Meaning, break into pieces.
Example, my new dress fell apart in the washing machine.
67. Fall down. Meaning, fall to the ground.
Example, the picture that you hung up last night fell down this morning.
68. Fall out. Meaning, separate from an interior.
Example, the money must have fallen out of my pocket.
69. Fall out. Meaning of hair, teeth become loose and unattached.
Example, his hair started to fall out when he was only 35.
70. Figure something out. Meaning, understand, find the answer.
Example, I need to figure out how to fit the piano and the bookshelf in this room.